Good afternoon. So, finally, nandito na kami sa Cabo, San Lucas. And right now, we're here in the Cape Thompson. So, finally, nandito na kami sa aming room. And I'll give you a tour. Let's do this! First, ito yung door. So, sa right side ng door, ito na yung laundry area nila. Yan, may washing machine dyan and dryer. And this side is the powder room. Yan. And then we have kitchen. Right here is the kitchen with drinks. Ayan. And ito na yung sala nila. Ayan. And our view. Yung the ark. Makikita mo dyan yung ark. Then, ito na yung bed namin. Here's our bed. Bedroom. Then, this side is our bathroom. Ito yung cabinet nila. Listen here. Cabinets. And may dalawang sinks. Yan, at saka dito. Then, shower. And then, bathtub. And then, the toilet. Yung hubby ko na doon sa balcony. And our view. When you wake up in the morning, ito na yung view namin. Tada! Ito yung view namin, guys. The ark, I don't know if you can see that. The famous ark here in Cabo. Good morning! So, we have breakfast here in our room. We get pancakes and some eggs, fruits, and croissant. And of course, where's that? Coffee! That's it, guys. And the view. And my bano. Let's eat. That's a lot of fish.
Yeah, this is the place over here for snorkeling. Nice,
Yeah,
guys.
see?
Go. So our main dish, we have calamari and shrimp tacos. Our lunch, let's eat. The ketchup is fresh.
What is it?
The ketchup is fresh. The China. You see that how fresh is that? Hey guys, so kakatapos lang namin kumain ng lunch. We are still here in the main area, Cabo. That's the marina. So we're just gonna walk around and explore the town. There's my van right there. Guys, good morning. So today is our last morning here in the Cape in Thompson, here in Cabo, San Lucas, Mexico. So nandito ako ngayon sa kitchen, obviously. Ayan. And I'm hungry. Mamaya pa kasi kami mag-check out, guys. So I'm thinking about eating our chips and guac, complimentary from the Cape. Ito yung chips nila. Then meron silang let me see, it's open. Ooh, chocolate, yeah, for dessert. Yes, mamaya ay uwi na kami, guys. And let's get this guac in the fridge. It's our guac. This one is for the pork cheese, guys. And we have also some snacks here. So you have to purchase that. And yeah, aalis na kami maya-maya lang. The reason why we're here, kasi nga, we're celebrating my 35th birthday. It was so nice. Relaxing and eating a lot of food. The other day, pumunta kami sa the Ark ng Cabo. So, we went to the town and we went to the marina. I suggest you guys to go, if you're coming over here, and check out the Ark. And I suggest go to the marina because it's more cheaper. You can, you know, you can make lower the price. Kasi nga pag nasa hotel ka, mag reservation for the boat, you know, it's like times 2 yung price. So That was really nice. And we have our own boat that time for only $100 for both of us, and for only for an hour. And you can snorkeling, you can visit all the beach around in the Arc in Cabo. So it's really nice, relaxing. I recommend that to you guys, so check that out. And then after that, we have a dinner in the area, in the marina area in Cabo San Lucas, and that was really nice. And I suggest to visit also the office. We have a great lunch there. I have a calamari, and then my husband got a shrimp tacos, and we have chips and guac and salsa. That was really good. And piña colada. So sadly, today is our last morning here in Cabo. We have a great time here, and we enjoy the view even though we can't swim because obviously we have big waves around here, and they suggest not to swim because the current is really bad. And I'm gonna eat my chips and guac. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy our video today, and I hope you like it. And please like, subscribe, and share to your friends, and don't forget to click the button. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next my travel video. Bye guys. Bye.